Hello everyone. The Girin Museum of Art is pleased to announce the upcoming exhibition Drawing and Installation Performance 2025, which will be on display from April 19th to May 15th, 2025. Members of the Korean Performance Artists Association, ranging from pioneers to emerging artists, will come together at the Jeonju Girin Museum of Art to showcase unique performance art drawing works. The Korean Performance Artists Association and Girin Museum of Art have signed a memorandum of understanding to host performance installations and drawing exhibitions every spring. This exhibition offers a refreshing and inspiring experience for those seeking new sensory stimulation daily. The participating performance artists will convey their artistic visions through drawings and installations, embodying the dynamic gestures of contraction and expansion within a compact space of approximately 36 square feet. We warmly invite you to explore this captivating display and show your support. The venue for the event is on the third floor of Girin오피스텔 to the Girin Museum of Art. Your attention to this matter and your support are greatly appreciated. Spark creativity with friends. Embark on inner art with loved ones. Immerse in the world of art with family. The Girin Museum of Art holds a treasure trove of artistic wonders. Be sure to explore it. Would you mind calling me at 063-2315280?